How to create Taskade AI account. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today I will guide you on how you can create a Taskade AI account. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Taskade application on your mobile device. Now tap on sign up at the bottom of your screen. Now from here you can sign up your account with Google, Apple ID or single sign up button. For here, we're going to use our email address. Type in your email address in the first field. After that, type in the username you want to add. And then type in the password in the third field. Now tap in the sign up icon. From here, you can continue with mobile app. This is how you can create a new Taskade AI account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.